A lot of new stuff going on, a lot of new stuff going on, a lot of new stuff going on. Lennox, who I guess is becoming my primary manufacturer I'm dealing with again. Politics. Trump announced this 25% tariff on Mexico. Lennox is moving manufacturing from Mexico back up to the U.S.
But it's still having a 5% increase at the end of March.
Correct.
On everything.
Once again, just another way to make more money, I think.
Mark, are they moving that quickly?
What do you mean by moving that quickly?
Are they moving from Mexico to America in a month?
No.
What they've done is the 3 plants that they have. I just know the name of one of them is Marshallton. Another one I think is out by Tyler, Texas, which is by train. What they've done in the past when Marshalltown got hit by a tornado and wiped the whole plant out, we never lost any availability for inventory. They just picked up manufacturing at the other plants. What they've done is, or what they're saying they're doing, is going to be increasing manufacturing at the 3 U.S. plants, not the Mexican plant. The Mexican plant is not going to be shut down. It's going to be still stuff shipped to other parts of the world. But Lennox, if you read their boxes, it doesn't say made in Mexico. Because the stuff really not made in Mexico, is assembled in Mexico. They would take stuff that was made in the U.S., China, wherever they got the stuff from, ship it to Mexico. Mexicans would put it together and then box it and ship it up to us. But that's considered part of the 25% tariff. So now they're just making the U.S. plants step up. They're adding shifts, as they call it. So that's supposed to keep the price down, but we still got a 5% price increase. Besides that, the A2L stuff is out, which is the new semi-flammable refrigerant. We put a couple units in already. Been the classes, get certified. It's really not that much different than the other stuff. It's just more expensive. They have to have new electronic controls on them with sensors to see if the unit is leaking. If it's leaking, it shuts the unit down, brings the fans on to try to mitigate the system, because it's not enough to fill the whole house up to make it explode. So if you mix the flammable refrigerant through the whole house, it's not gonna do anything. So besides that, anybody have any questions?
Is there any specific time of the year, other than like maybe just general seasonal stuff for changing filters? Because
Once a month.
once a month, really, that often?
Air filters are rated for 200 hours of runtime.
Okay.
All the manufacturers are pretty much on the same boat as that. When you figure out 200 hours of runtime, about a month.
All right.
The easiest way to remember your filter change: you get your electric bill, you get your gas bill, and you. I can save some money by changing the air filter. So you get the bill, you pay your bill, you go down and go change your air filter, go up wherever, change them out.
Speaking of air filters, like I know there's the MERV rating like 4, 6, 8, 10, 13, 11. So what is sort of the
If you can see your hand through it and count your fingers, it's a good air filter. If you can't see your hand through it, the air filter sucks, because it's going to stop your airflow.
So what's the highest rating you can have where it won't stop your airflow? Like 8 is kind of what I was reading, or
Whatever the fiberglass air filters are, I think they're MERV 4. The filter is made to protect the equipment. It is not made to filter your air. There are other air filtration systems out there to filter your air,